The DocuSign for Dynamics 365 integration enables you to send, sign, and manage agreements directly from Dynamics. To start, navigate to Microsoft AppSource and search for DocuSign for Dynamics. Click Get It Now. Choose the desired environment, accept the required terms and conditions, and click Install. Then, log into Dynamics 365 as an admin to configure DocuSign for Dynamics. Click the Settings icon, select Advanced Settings, and then DocuSign Admin. Next, choose your environment and click Log In. Click Connect, enter your DocuSign account, email address, and password, and click Log In. From the Account tab, you can view the connected DocuSign account and, if needed, modify your account configuration. Click the Settings tab to customize your account settings. For example, you can customize the title of completed documents, choose if completed documents are downloaded as a combined or separate PDF, attach the certificate of completion with each signed document, and save a copy of each completed envelope to the Dynamics entity the envelope was sent from. You can also save completed documents to a SharePoint instance. When you select this option, completed documents are no longer saved in Dynamics. Finally, you can create a default email subject and message for all envelopes sent from Dynamics. Click the Entities tab to customize which entities your users can send and sign envelopes from. The Sign and Send with DocuSign functionalities are enabled by default on some entities, such as Account and Opportunity. You can disable the functionalities for these entities or enable them for additional entities. You can also enable the Bulk Send with DocuSign functionality for a desired entity to allow your users to send envelopes to multiple recipients at once. Finally, you will need to grant the DocuSign user role to the relevant users so that they can start using the DocuSign for Dynamics 365 integration. Click Security, and then Users. Select one or more users, and click Manage Security Roles. Then, select the DocuSign User option under Role, and click Save. Note that the users you select must be active members of the DocuSign account specified in the Account tab. The selected users can now send and sign envelopes from the enabled entities. Note that there are additional features you can configure. For example, you can create custom buttons to streamline agreement processes by reducing manual data entry and automating pre-send tasks. You can also enable IAM functionality, such as the ability to view completed agreements via Agreement Manager, start a DocuSign workflow with Workflow Builder, and view and act on agreement desk requests directly from Dynamics 365. To learn more, review the information on DocuSign support.